Ito yung aking anak, si Bunsuni. Kararating lang yung gagaling school. Pinagmamalaki niya ang ginawa niya sa school dahil kumita siya ng, how much na? $60. Papakita ko sa inyo. Papakita niya. Mayaman ang aking anak, $60.
Some card transfer as well.
Oh, look at that.
60 overall.
All right. For that money, we can go to Disneyland.
Whoa.
Now, tell me, what did you do? What was the event about?
It was a student market fair,
Mm-hmm.
and they're all student-run businesses.
Mm-hmm.
I sold clay figures, drawings, posters,
Wow.
and then other people had baked goods, caricatures,
Mm-hmm.
and other things like that.
So, para siyang little convention ng mga future artists dito, mga estudyante. At maganda yun, encourage sila na gumawa ng kanilang mga produkto. At ang ginawa nga niya ay clay. Nag-ukit siya nag-curve, right? Created that clay. At binenta niya. $5 ang isa, $3, gano'n. At ito ang kinita niya. Alright? Okay, kaibigan, yun lang gusto ko ipakita sa inyo. At I'm very proud of my daughter of mine, itong si Bunsuni. Galing-galing na anak ko. Manang-mana sa nanay. Alright. You make daddy coffee, honey? Yeah, make daddy coffee. Thank you, anak.